Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's video. So what we're doing today, I went ahead and got some new speakers for the Ram. Back when I first bought this truck, it had a blown out passenger side speaker. I went ahead and replaced it. However, I figured I'd make a video on doing the driver's side as well. So this truck comes with the Infinity sound system, which means it has a mildly upgraded head unit, and then it has some interesting, some people call it an amp, other people call it a filter. I'm not 100% sure on exactly what it does. I'll show you in a second. But it makes swapping out speakers a little bit tricky on this. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. Basically, along what we're going to do, I have the new speaker. I'm going to go pull off the door panel, and I'm going to show you how to take off the old, I'm going to call it an amp. I'm going to show you how to take it off, put the new one in, and install it. So it's pretty straightforward. For anyone curious, this is my 2001 Ram 3500. Went ahead and upgraded the head unit. Nothing fancy. I literally just cut out the old box to make it big enough, put the new one in. And it's tight enough that it's pretty much held in there just with friction, so I really don't need anything else. So that one has the new speaker in it. This one does not, and you can definitely tell a sound difference. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off real quick, throw you on time lapse, and we're going to go ahead and install the new one. So before we get started, I do want to let you guys know my most normal Dodges have a whole bunch of little well, I'll show you when I get the door panel off, but they're a little bunch of stickers essentially to keep the door stuck to the they're a bunch of little plastic clips to keep the door stuck to the actual door, the inner door liner, whatever. Mine, most of them are broken, so pretty much all I have to do is take out this screw right here and those two screws, and then pretty much all this is just going to come right off, so you'll see in a minute. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the speaker. Looks pretty old, and all we do right now is, this is the speaker harness. It runs down behind here, so we're going to undo this. There's 4 little Phillips heads all the way around. We're going to pop this off, unplug it, and then we'll slide the whole thing out. I'll show you that in a minute. This is the speakers I'm replacing it with. As you can see, it's a 6x9, and then this is the old one. So the amp piece I'm talking about is this whole thing right here, and what we're going to go ahead and do is pull it apart. I'll show you how, and install it on the new one, and then put it back in the truck. So pretty straightforward process. Alright, so as you can see, this is the new one. It's in the holder pretty much. It's actually a lot more irritating than it was last time. Dealing with a little bit of alignment, but it's definitely getting there. For whatever reason, these screws for the back side would not catch. Last time I did this, they caught right away, so it's kind of weird. But what we're going to do real quick, I need to go ahead and make sure, looks like I missed this peg and this peg to make sure the screw holes line up, and then we'll throw it together. Alright, and there we go. So now everything lines up the way it's supposed to. I had to knock off 2 of these little pegs. For whatever reason, the speaker was kind of not super lined up, but it is what it is. And then this is the old one, as you can see. Really nothing special. You can kind of see through the screen, just a little guy. So these are the coveted Infinity. Apparently these are pretty great back in 2001, but we have come a long way. So that's what we have right here. Let's go install it in the truck. Well, there you have it. It's installed. Pretty simple. I don't know if all Dodge, or if I don't know if all trucks came like this, but I'm like 90% confident that this is probably for the power mirrors, which I do not have. As you can see, no cables come out of here. So this particular mirror is actually cracked. Probably going to be replacing those out pretty soon, so that'll happen. Anyway, let's throw this door back together and see if it works. Pretty much that's it, guys. Nothing crazy to it. Sorry for a little bit of what looked like a bit of a unprofessional install there. Pretty much it is. It's kind of a hack job, but you know what? It works. It's worked on that side for a couple months now. This side's now in. sound system sounds pretty good, and that's all there is to it. So go ahead and check out my other videos on this truck if you want something a little more entertaining. Just got, I don't know, not much else going on right now. Next mods are probably going to be the headliner, and I might be picking up a 4th gen front bumper. Not sure on that just yet, but we'll see. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.